Well, y'all just sing the chorus. Verse 1. Oh, here on Lion Orange Mountain, for singing and for dancing, I hope you will please me. I can sing and dance like any man in the bygone days of yore. And on the 12th I love to wear the sash-striped band. Let's hear ya! And the colors they are bright. It was born on Mary Auburn, and I still have the boy. For my father wore it as a gift in bygone days of yore. And on the 12th I love to wear the sash-striped band. Oh, it's time I'm going to leave you. Good luck to you, I say. Goodbye, little man, on my orange flute I'll play. I am going to my native land, to a place they call Romore. To be welcomed by my brethren in the sash-striped band. Listen! It was all that it is beautiful, and the colors they are bright. It was born at Mary Auburn, and is still in Nangapoil. My father wore it as a youth in the bygone days of yore. And on the 12th I love to wear, finish it with us, the sash-striped You thought you didn't know that one? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's coming towards the end of our little stay here. We're going to play just another few songs for you. But if you like the show, ladies and gentlemen, will you please appreciate all these very talented people on stage, young and old alike. The Ulster Scots Experience, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. And if you like the show, please tell all your friends. If you didn't like it, save your breath to cool your porridge. We're going to play something from Belfast now, just in case there's any Belfast brethren here.